Hello friends, in subject math chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.2 we'll study question 6 to 10. So question 6 is given if A12 means Ax1 y1 is given 1 2, Bx2 y2 is given 4y, Cx3 y3 is given x6 and Bx4 y4 is given 3 5. Are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order? Find x and y. So here ABCD taken in order, then it gives a parallelogram, then we have to find out x and y. So we know that in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other, and so ABCD is a parallelogram, and so we can write that in that diagonals bisect each other. So midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD. So midpoint formula we know 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2 is equals to 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Now order place equality we have studied in the 9th standard. X coordinate equals to x, y coordinate equals to y. And so 1 plus x by 2 equals to 7 by 2 and 8 by 2 equals to y plus 5 by 2. So both the side 2 to cancel. So 1 plus x equals to 7. So x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. We have the question 7. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. So one circle is given, in that AB is the diameter. Whose center is 2 minus 3. So center is given, suppose we take center P equals to, that is 2 minus 3. And B is 1 4. And AXY we have to calculate. So now AB is diameter and P is center of circle. Then we know that P is midpoint of AB. Then P is midpoint of AB, and so 2 minus 3 equals 2. By midpoint formula, x plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2. So we compare the x coordinate, 2 equals to x plus 1 by 2 minus 3 equals to y plus 4 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 equals to x plus 1. So x is equals to 3. Here minus 6 equals to y plus 4. So y equals to minus 10. And so required point A is 3 minus 10. Question 8 is given. Ax1 y1 is equals to minus 2 minus 2 and Bx2 y2 is equals to 2 minus 4. Then find the coordinates of P such that AP is equals to 3/7 AB. So here AB line segment is there, between point P is there. So AB by PB ratio, AB by AB ratio is given 3/7. So AB is a 3x and AB is the 7x. And so AB by PB ratio will be, PB length will be 4x, and so 3x by 4x. So x cancel, so 3/4. That is means the P divides AB in 3:4 ratio. So P divides AB in 3:4 ratio. So its x coordinate and y coordinate we calculate. So x coordinate mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So mx2, so 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2, 3 plus 4. Here 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4. So it is 6 minus 8/7, and a minus 12 minus 8/7. So it is minus 2/7, and here minus 20/7. So required point P is minus 2/7, minus 20/7. Now question we have, find the coordinates of the points which divide the laying segment joining A minus 2 and B to 8 into 4 equal parts. So AX1 Y1 is given minus 2 and BX2 Y2 is given 2 8, and we have to divide AB into 4 equal parts. So point A is there and point B is there, AB is there. So we divide AB in 4 equal parts. So between we get 3 points P, Q and R. So let P, Q and R are the points divides AB in 4 equal parts. So AP equals to PQ equals to QR equals to PBR, and so these 4 parts are equal. So we can say that Q is midpoint of AB, and so QXY we can calculate by midpoint formula, that is minus 2 plus 2/2 and 2 plus 8/2. So it is minus 2 plus 2 0/2 0 and 2 plus 8/10/2 means 5. Similarly we can say that P is the midpoint of AQ, and so we can write that P is midpoint of AQ. As P is midpoint of AQ, for AX1 midpoint formula we take, and then so PXY we can calculate. A means minus 2 and plus 0 by 2, 2 plus 5/2. So we get minus 2/2 minus 1 and 7/2. And similarly we can get R is midpoint of B2. So RXY we can get 2 plus 0/2 2 8 plus 5 by 2. So it is 2 by 2 1 and 30 by 2. We have the question 10. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are A30 is equal to x1 by 1, B45 is equal to x2 by 2, C minus 1 4 is equal to x3 by 3, and D minus 2 minus 1 is equal to x4 by 4. Taken in order. So here these 4 points are taken in order. They are the vertices of the rhombus. They are the vertices of rhombus, and so we have to find out area of rhombus. So area of rhombus formula we know that 1 by 2 d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are diagonal 1 and diagonal 2's length. So here diagonal AC length and diagonal BD length we want to find. So AC length with the distance formula we find, then AC equals to under root 3 minus 1 square plus 0 minus 4 square. So it is minus plus, so the 4 square 16 plus 16. So it is 2 times 16. So 4 root 2. Same way diagonal BD length we calculate for the D2, and E2 is 4 minus 2 square plus 5 minus 1 square. So it is 6 square 36 plus 36 means 36 2 times. So it is 6 root 2, and so area equals to area is equals to 1 by 2 AC into BD. So 1 by 2 4 root 2 multiply 6 root 2. So 1 by 2 6 4 and 24, and 2 into root 2 2 to be cancelled. So it is 24 square.